Your 15-minute insurance might not pay for all this. So get Allstate. You can save money and be better protected from mayhem, like me. Recalculating.
Dollar for dollar, nobody protects you from mayhem like Allstate.
It's a new year and time for a fresh start.
Okay, new year, new me.
Oh, new me too.
Gotta cut that.
Ladies, ready when you are.
Signature sirloin steak with garlic herb shrimp.
Teriyaki shrimp pasta.
Oh, I love cutting back. Here's the cutting back.
Time for Applebee's unbelievably great tasting and under 550 calories menu. Great tasting generous dishes like new teriyaki shrimp pasta, new sirloin with garlic herb shrimp, and more. All under 550 calories and starting at $8.99. Only at Applebee's. There's no place like the neighborhood. Open until midnight.
City Music Hall, and the pick is in. It is being brandished by some walkie-talkied individual, and it's also being sent to the Broncos table so they can call back to Denver and let the folks there in that draft room know that Cam Newton essentially has been taken off the clock. You're looking at the Panthers draft party outside of Bank of America Stadium. Well, I think it'll be jubilant. I mean, this is a big-time personality and big-time winner coming their way. The question is, will he be a big-time success?
There is no one here to see this.
I wish the stadium was full of fairies!
It sure is great spending time with you again, Timmy. It's important you reintegrate into society. How's the log?
Stop laughing! Stop! Okay, Turner, you win. I will rip up the contract. There! I am no longer your temporary fairy.
You did it, Timmy! You out-Jorgen!
Wanda, I'm sorry I replaced you guys. I totally learned my lesson. You're the only fairies I'd ever want, no matter how much baby-proofing you do.
Welcome back, Timmy! Now how about another wish?
You bet. I wish we were all on a super colossal water slide.
Sorry, sport!
Are you kidding? This is perfect.
Well, real Timmy, if you don't like my wish granting, why don't you find yourself a temporary fairy?
Did I hear someone say they need a temporary fairy? What? What? Don't spill the dam in there! I'm calling my lawyers! Well?
On November 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, radio and TV stations will conduct a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. Your regular programs will be interrupted briefly. When you receive the test alert on November 9th, don't worry. Remember, it's just a test.
Hey guys, it's Mom. See you in an hour.
Holy
The party event of the summer
Great!
continues with more whiptastic fun not seen in theaters.
Did you drink all the soda?
Wimpy Kid Roderick Rule, rated PG.
Make your summer a little sweeter. You can make new Blizzard Bears, only at Build-A-Bear Workshop. Each comes with a yummy scented cup. Animals and outfits sold separately.
Very sweet.
Build-A-Bear Workshop.
This to the shiny new bike your kid's been asking for. Saving energy saves you money. Learn more at EnergySavers.gov. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Energy and the Ad Council.
107.5 WBLS, your number one source for R&B.
Good is the time that is approaching. What they are telling you are lies. Deny the power of corruption. They know what is to come for this universe. The time has come. Open your eyes. See the truth. Do not let them take you away.
This is WBLS 107.5 FM. If you are hearing this message, please disregard the previous alerts. Earlier today, we were hijacked and received an unauthorized broadcast in our signals. But now, this situation is over. We here at WBLS would like to apologize for the inconveniences and distress that this has caused.
You will see it right here on CNBC, every other TV and radio station. It is just a test.
To the morning hours, 34, and our high for tomorrow here in the metro is going to be 55.
Go further. 60% off is huge. Call today.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
Well, something very different is about to happen. A nationwide test set to begin any moment. Don't be alarmed, it is just a test. In a couple of moments, I will disappear, and you will see this test, and then we'll be back.
Alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Only a test. That was only a test.
Interrupt the programming. This is a national emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast systems and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most cable systems will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Comcast. We will continue to serve the Annapolis area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Annapolis area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
It is with deep regret that we inform the populace of the imminent end of our planet Earth and the human race. This scenario is inevitable and will lead to the extinction of all life on Earth. The inevitable must come, but we must not cry or show fear. We must stay united as Americans. Despite these unfortunate circumstances, we will ensure to make our final hours on Earth as peaceful and dignified as possible. Do whatever you can to make you and your loved ones feel happier in this current situation. When discussing the situation with your children, do not frighten them. Ensure their utmost comfort during this time. Seek comfort in your loved ones, pets, or your gutter gods. Do not resort to violence and looting. We thank you for being part of the United States and our 235 years of independence. We wish you a peaceful end.
Please stand by for a message from the Federal Communications Commission and the United States government.
On November 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, an unknown group hijacked the National Emergency Alert System test broadcasting a false message claiming it into the world. This false alarm impacted all television and radio stations. We at the FCC apologize for the breach and are taking steps to enhance the security of our systems and those of EAS providers. We are collaborating with the FBI and Interpol to identify and apprehend the individuals or organization responsible for this incident. Normal programming can now resume. We appreciate your understanding and patience during this incident.